Hello, Ngendingelela. You can call me Upilasi Mhlengikazi. In my last topic, I talked about indaba of fast and how to communicate with umoya, and I did mention ukuthi sizongena kabanzi regarding indaba of meditate. So indaba meditator, it's like ukujulela umoya, taking the time of the day ukuthi lesikhathi lesi ngisinikeza umoya wami. So ngachaza ama-importance indaba yokuthi ufaste nanokuthi why ufaster regarding indaba ukuthi uzama uku-detoxa in a way, but indaba meditator like u-detoxa umoya basically nesimo semicabango nesimo somqondo, because remember ukuthi umoya uyakhuluma ngesimo somqondo. Sithi sibiza ngokuthi umqondo, but necessarily kuphela yonke into sesajwayele ukuthi siyibize ngamagama athile, kanti ezinye izinto kahle kahle, as I mentioned kwi-introductory video yami, ezinye izinto kahle kahle hayi zonke zayimelele ubizwa ngamagama, because once sabiza into ethile ngegama, we are limiting i-understanding yethu ngayo. Okay, so ngeke ngidelve deep ngaleyo nto leyo because it's gonna get too complicated. But into engisho ukuthi like ukutholisa umqondo wethu because umoya ukhuluma through umqondo. Why ngithi umoya ukhuluma through umqondo? Because sometimes umoya wethu uyakhuluma ufike ezimicabango. So once you grow kamoya, you begin to be able to distinguish between umcabango wakho nomoya the time ukhuluma. Then the time lokhana ukhula futhi kamoya gcina ingasafiki ezimicabango, so sefika usuwazi ukuthi umoya ke manje ukukhulumayo. Umoya ukhuluma 1 2 3 4. So meditating is la sithulisa khona umqondo. Uma sithulisa umqondo sinikeza umoya isikhathi nethuba lokuthi ukwazi ukuxhumana nathi. Yini ukumeditate? Ukuthulisa umqondo. So uthulisa kanjani na umqondo? Ukuthi uthathe leso sikhathi leso sukwini lakho ukwazi ukuthi njengamanje ngizocupha isikhathi esiwukuthi uthi ngithuli nje, ngihlele endaweni accountable. Noma ngabe kuthiwa mina I usually prefer nakhathi nje futhi ngisaqala-ke especially kamoya, I usually preferred ukuthi ngilale embhedeni ngibheke phezulu ngicimeze. Kuzoba nzima at the beginning, kuzoba nzima kakhulu because vele sihlezi sicabanga, but ungaforce like they usually say ukuthi clear your mind, clear your thoughts kwasho kakucima. That's very hard to do as umuntu ophilayo because we are constantly on i-roll yokuthi nje umuntu uyacabanga ucabanga noma unganakile ukuthi uyacabanga, sihlezi sicabanga. So we need to try ukuthi singacabangi, but not to force it, because once sisaforce sigcina singasakhona accomplish into esimele siyaccomplish, because manje sisafocusile ekutheni sirelaxise umoya, but manje umoya wethu sujimisa even more ekutheni we trying not to think about into ekhona emqondweni. So what I suggest ukuthi if leyo nto leyo iyaqhamuka, the time usuthulisa umqondo wakho usulindele ukuthi umoya uqaqe, if umcabango wakho uyaqhubeka uyafika, carry on think about leyo nto leyo and scroll through izinto ecabanga ukuthi why ucabanga lento, ukuthi uyi-assess lento leyo ukuthi okay ngicabanga ngenxa 1 2 3 4, and then you let it go. If kukhona futhi into futhi ekuhluphayo, why ngicabanga lento le, ngicabanga ngenxa 1 2 3 4, and then you let it go. Then ukuhamba uzobona ukuthi umqondo wakho uzothula. Amanye kama-videos, because many ama-videos like YouTube asuggestayo noma advisayo indlela ongakhona ukumeditate ngayo. If ubona ukuthi kunzima, you can watch those videos, but ungadependi kuwona kakhulu because manje usulalele lona lelo lizwi leyo, and amazwi nokukhuluma kune-frequency yakhona, because there's a lot of things about into ephimisela emoyeni. Kuningi izinto ezenzakalayo esingayiqondi, esingazazi ezenzakalayo, esingayinakile noma ngabe kuthiwa ziyenzeka. Because why? No, because even izingoma, the time there is a frequency that you are releasing. Ney'ngoma esiyilalela, there's a frequency abayidedelayo. Now I have noticed ukuthi why ingoma ufiduma kakhulu, because khona le frequency le yena akhonayo ukuyidedela. Sonke sinama-frequencies esiyi-vibrate ngawo, and even the voices, i-voice iyona into enekhono kakhulu ukuthi ikwazi ukudedela kakhulu i-frequency yakho, because if uzoxhumanisa nange-science, because science has an idea but ayinayo ama-answer for everything, ukuthi even i-voice yethu ine-frequency ehamba ngayo, nomoya kanjalo unama-frequencies umoya nama-energies and stuff like that, but asikho lapho, sisesimeni sokuthi we are meditating. So that's why ngiphethe ibhula in order ukuthi ngiyalukhane ngiphuma eceleni. So we meditate, sidedela umoya, uthi umoya ukhone ukuxhumana nathi. Nakho-ke Into ezoqala, why sizofuna ukuthi simeditate? Sivulela umoya isikhala sokuthi ukwazi ukungena. Sometimes umoya wethu uyafisa ukukhuluma nathi, noma uzothola ithuba lokukhuluma nathi ngenxa yokuthi sesilele, but then uthola ukuthi silele so deeply that umoya asisakhona ukuzwa. I mentioned that kwi-video yami regarding ukufasta, ukukhulisa umoya wakho, ukuthi ukhulisa kanjani through ukufasta, ukuthi singadli kakhulu noma ungathi uma uqeda ukudla usuyalala straight because uzolala ubuthongo bangempela. Wena uzobe usungasathongi phela, awusaye emathongeni lapho, usuzumekile ushaye uzwi. Then umoya uma usufika inyama yakho ifika isali ngenxa yokuthi inyama yakho ibisenda kakhulu for umoya wakho. So what we trying to do ukuthi senze inyama ukuthi ibe lula but sibe si-elevate umoya wethu ukuze umoya uma ufika uxhumane neyethu imimoya kwazi ukuxhumisana, and then thina we receive that information even nangokwenyama sezivuka kwi-conscious yethu ukuthi okay, I remember ukuthi ngiphupha 1 2 3, okay, I remember ukuthi umoya uke wafika yazi as 1 2 3. So umeditate hamba ama-stages nama-levels. So please do not compare yourself ukuthi umuntu ethi uyameditate wafika ngempela umoya wakuzo same time. No, once waba nama-expectations uzo meditate, meditation yakho ithatha isikhathi eside ukuthi wazi uba ne-impact. Like angifuna this lento nje lenze advice ngizoyikhipha advice nami ngayithola somewhere else, akuyona esuka kumina, but it's really worked for me. So mina vele I'm sharing what I've experienced and nawe mhlambe ingakusiza. Asifanani, indlela esicommunicate ngayo nomoya ayifanani, indlela esofinyelela ngayo kumoya ayifanani. We are just sharing ama-advices ukuthi sikwazi ukulekelela nalaba abanye mhlawumbe nawe usuyasebenzisa ikusebenzele. Nami there are information nami ngingayithola kwabantu engiphila ngokwenyama, nga-applya ngisebenzele, amanye nga-applya angangisebenzela until I realized ukuthi okay, as you take advice not the technique. So this advice le engayithola it was like into yaqaqa because njengisho ukuthi kamoya you learn njalo, information lapha ayiphili, and ukuzokwazi information i-true apply it ukuze uzobona ukuthi ngempela does it work ngaleyo ndlela, because if sizochaza ezinye izinto asiyichazi ngendlela efanayo. Indlela umoya wakho uzovukela ngayo futhi uzochaza komunye umuntu ngingakho ngisho ukuthi ngeke iziphakame njengomunye umuntu, ingakho ngisho ukuthi lento yethu yokubiza ngamagama too much iyalimitha indlela esichaza ngayo, iya-underestimate the true feeling of leyo nto leyo okanye the true identity of leyo nto leyo. Lento yokubiza into ethile ngento ethile iyalimit ukuthi because manje we have this thing ukuthatha amagama siwa-relate exactly nalama meaning adumile, kanti uthi lelo gama lelo when simese sifika kuwena wena uzokhona ukuyichaza ngenye indlela rather than i-meaning yayo esijwayelekile, ngenxa ukuthi now you're experiencing this first hand. Into experience first hand uzoyichazela omunye umuntu ngeke izifane njengento edumile ukuthi yaziwa ngokuthi yenza 1 2 3. That's why umoya wakho yakhona impela ucommunicate nawe, usuxhumana nawe kabantu ngoba siyabona ukuthi nawe wena usuyakwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwezinto ezizwa ngabantu nezinto wena usukilalela kamoya. Izinto wena usukilalela wena kamoya, izinto usuki-experience first hand. Ungathathi into oyizwayo ukuthi yenzeka ngale ndlela leyo 1 2 3 and then wena now you expect it ukuthi yenzeke ngaleyo ndlela leyo kuwena, because now leyo nto leyo izovimba umoya wakho ukuthi kwenzeka ngale ndlela leyenzeka ngayo, okanye when it happens in another way kuwena you will think that it's another thing and iyona leyo nto leyo lomunye uyiyena eyafika ngenye indlela. So now manje usugqilaza wena, usugqilaza nesinyo sakho, na you are stuck in the same level ngenxa ama-beliefs akho. So that is why if umoya uzokukhulisa, uzokwenza sure ukuthi the first step to ukukhulisa umoya wakho ukuthi ikwazi ukuphila njengobhanana, ukwazi ukuhluba from zonke lezi zinto lezi wena osuyuthathile from emaceleni wazakha ngayo, wayimboza ngayo. Yona izofika iqala izoqaqa leyo nto leyo before ikwazi ukuloda ini information, izofika iqala ikuvule ukuze ithi mesifaka le information ingafiki isiphithiphithi sezinto mese kagcwala mese kuyaphuma. Ngeke uzokwazi ukugcwalisa isigubhu esesigcwele vele, so uzoqala isithulule leso sigubhu leso sonke, and that is a very difficult phase. Ileyo phase leyo sokusizwa khona engathi uyasangana kancane ekhanda. Trust me, if ungazi udlule kuleyo phase usazodlula kuyona, i-phase leyo ezohlezi iba khona ukuthi khona lento leyo wena ubuyitshela ukuthi iyona ngenxa ukuthi uyizwe ngayo ozoyikhipha emqondweni ukuthi no man, akusiyona ngale ndlela le labantu abachaza ngayo, noma akusiyona ngale ndlela le namina ngizwe ngayo. Kahle kahle lento i-1, 2, 3. But back to meditate. So back to lento engisho ukuthi there's this advice engayitholayo ukuthi umeditator akuhlezi. Umeditator siyitshela ukuthi like ukuhlala kuleyo nto leyo, ulale nani. Okay, that is i-route elula. But you can meditate throughout the day. Ekubeni usaqhubeka wenza ezinye izinto zakho. If mhlawumbe umuntu obusy, uyazi mhlawumbe uyavuka uyasebenza noma uyavuka mhlawumbe esikoleni or whatever osukuyenza from day to day osukwini lakho noma evikini lakho. But you can still ufake leyo nto leyo kumeditate. Kanjani no? The time uzowenza into ethile, focus kuleyo nto leyo oyenzayo. Mina njengoba ngikhuluma manje, I am focusing kule nto le ngenzayo. Anginayo eminye imicabango ikhona. Angicabanga ukuthi namhlanje ebusuku uzomele ngenze 1, 2, 3. Sasekuseni uzomele ngenze 1, 2, 3. If you ever notice ukuthi njalo sihlezi sicabanga noma singanakile, azi uthi wenze into ethile usucabanga the next task lo mele uyenze. And asiziblame indlela esizesajwayela ngayo. Sesijwayele ukuthi we are always on the move. Umqondo yethu is always on the move, always on the roll. Umoya, we're not giving umoya ithuba lokuthi ukwazi ungena. So you can meditate while ugeza izithuthi njengamanje. Feel amanzi ezandleni. Isizwe lesitsha leso siphethe siyashibilika senza in. I know it sounds, but if you apply it, uyazi uzonaka ezinye izinto ey'ningi kanjani, because we expect ukuthi umoya ukhulume la kuphela. Kanti umoya is so powerful ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi uyakwazi ukufinyelela noma ingane, noma ngobani, noma inini. It's just a matter ukuthi wena ube aware. Uzubone ukuthi thina the time busy with our day-to-day things, amabhesi sisuke siwenza vele, sisuke sisenyameni ngenxa yokuthi inyama nje is just functioning. Umqondo wethu awukho la, uhlezi lapho. Umqondo wethu is either one step ahead of us okanye sisemuva sicabanga izinto ezenzeka izolo. Kukancane sibe now in the moment. Kanti if you now in the moment, umoya uzokhona ukufinyelela kuwo. Have you noticed ukuthi if uzocabanga into ethile noma uhlushwe into ethile obuyicabanga, mhlampe khona this decision that you had to take, noma khona lo sizo loludinga ngandlela ethile, and then someone nje ecela uzovela afika akhulume ngaleyo nto leyo, even though engakhulumi like directly to lento leyo wena unenkinga ngayo, but when you get an answer of the question that you had in your mind, whether ngabe uzolo kanye nawe in the moment, that is still umoya ukhuluma through lowo muntu leyo. Maybe you are watching a TV, uyayibuka i-TV, and then automatically vele ngene advert ephendulayo leyo nto leyo. We must not expect ukuthi umoya ukhulume in one distinct way. That way we are limiting umoya. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi once we categorize izinto, once we name izinto thina sifuna ukuyakha thina leyo nto leyo, not knowing that umoya wawuvele ukhona even before thina. So uyacabanga ukuthi lo moya lo advanced kanjani. And to relate umoya to mhlampe to think that umoya awusoze wa pick up nalesikhathi lesisiyisona manje, umoya accommodates us. If umoya ubona ukuthi njengamanje khona ama-TV, khona ama-cellphone, umoya can still communicate nawe through your cell phone. Maybe you're watching this video right now, kusese umoya nalowo. Because at the end of the day, I didn't mention in one of my videos, my videos, ukuthi yonke into egcineni umoya, and ngizohlezi ngiyisho, good or bad. Yes, if good bad, it's very hard to believe ukuthi umoya lo, but it is umoya egcineni. If umoya ubungavumanga, ngabe akwenzekanga. You see? So umoya will always be there. So meditator is focusing in that moment, being in that moment without thinking about anything else. And that's where you'll be able to detect nokuzwa umoya. That is why meditation is so important. But mind you, meditation, I feel like say link to the Western world and again with spirituality yet. Because we also linked spirituality yet to our religions and our cultures, not knowing and not understanding that spirituality can morph into anything, like anything in the umoya was so advanced in guy. Umoya can even talk through izinyoni, izihlahla, butterflies, That is how deep umoya uyi-1. I'm gonna do other videos regarding how does in nature talk now. Maybe wena uzoyitshela ukuthi isithunywa sakho asikhulumi, kanti isithunywa sakho sihlezi sizama ukukhuluma nawe. Inkinga ukuthi wena awaqondi ukuthi isithunywa sakho sikhuluma ngayiphi yona indlela nawe. But once when you start ukuthi okay, you know what manje, I'm gonna be open-minded. Uma udinga ukuthi ube open-minded, that's why umoya uzothi uma ufika kuwena uzoqala uzokufundisa, it will peel you like a banana, uthi iveze ikho yakho ngale ndlela le wawuzalwe ngayo. Have you heard of ukuthi ingane if izozalwa isuke i-raw, isuke i-pure, isuke ingakuthi ingane like esheshe ukudetect umoya emibi and everything like that, because isuke isakamoya, not conditioned by izinto zasemhlabeni and everything. Akakafakwa izinto nokholo oluthile. Yes, you will have ukholo lwakho wena uzothi okay, not mina I'm believing through 1, 2, 3, but let it be your kholo wena owaziyo ukuthi mina the whole reason why ngikholelwa 1 or 2, 3. Hayi ngoba nakho weza usibanibani ukuthi hayi ngoba nakho ekhaya weza usibanibani ukuthi thola lokho ukholo nawe. Maybe when background yakini mhlawumbe abantu abasindisiwe wena uvela uphume uhambisa yona because uyafeel lapha, uyaconnect lapha. It's all about you nomoya wakho ukuthi uconnecta kephi nendawo, because imoya yethu ayifani, ama-route esiwathatha awafani. Do not take the technique, thatha advice being landela umoya wakho, hayi ukuthi ulandele ukuthi usibanibani, ulandele wabheka kephi umoya wakho amkhomba kephi, owakho umoya ukhomba kephi. So umoya uzofika ukwenze njalo, uzofika ukuphile ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ufike lapho ungakazi khona lutho, uphinde wona ukwakhe kabusha-ke. Lapho-ke manje usuyakwazi, usuyamanifesta kalula, lapho usunqoba izimpi kalula and everything like that. And if uzoqala-ke umeditate uthi ngikhulume ngezinto-ke like ama-challenges nami ngisenami ngabhekana nawo, but ama-challenges like abhedayo kakhulu. If mhlawumbe uzoqala okay now usuya-meditate mhlawumbe uleleke embhedeni, there will be times ukuthi uyazumeka, uzozumeka nje uyithole usuvuka ukuthi hawu, but 1, lokho kulala lokho zebulali will be so peaceful ngale ndlela le ngathi ubuqala ukulala. Number 2, uzoba ne-dream so clear ngale ndlela le. And I'm gonna do a video la ukuthi phela manje angazi noma like ukuthi this is a very personal experience that I had. Meditate and then I fell asleep. Not really fell asleep. That is like kind of this in between, like fear khona umoya. This in between phakathi kokulala nokuvuka. But I'm gonna get to the topic because even my sensation, there are these sensations that you feel in the body. There's sensation that you should not be afraid of, but then we become afraid of because asikhulumi ngawo kakhulu. Like umoya, nabantu abona on YouTube videos, they do not talk about my sensations lawo too deep. Anganona mhlawumbe nabezwe think is that maybe it's too personal. But then if it's an advice ngomoya, I feel like we should not gatekeep. Unless mhlambe idaba zakho zikutshela ukuthi okay yazi ukuthini, asithandi usherishe ngale nto le ngenxa 1, 2, 3, 4. But mina so far so good, so ngisazoqhubeka nje until mhlawumbe idala zami noma ngithina zizisho ukuthi cha imaki manje la, but njengoba ngisaphusheka ngiyazi ukuthi umoya lo ngiphushayo, because sometimes okay asikho lapho, but njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi there are these sensations lawa owafilayo, the sensations lawa are so foreign ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi you might actually get scared. Kanti enye into evimba umoya wethu is a fear, the feeling of uvalo, and uvalo ukhishwa ngokuphalaza. Leyo nto leyo ngangayikholwa, but I did it, and angazi noma ngobana kuyahlenga yini la kuyahlanza, because njengoba ngisho in my previous videos ukuthi umoya uhlala la, ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi umoya uhlala esifubeni. So if wena uzoba umuntu onovalo, that means khona lama blockages lawa asakhona kwi-heart chakra yakho. I talked about ama chakras, kwi-heart chakra yakho, the green energy, ukuthi khona shothi ama blockages asakhona. So if uzoshawa uvalo and everything like that, umoya kahle ngabe usuyakhuluma but vele ufike as uvalo because there's this blockage. Kanti kuba ulukho lolu uvalo ngabe umoya wakho yakhona ukudetect kahle ukuthi okay umoya wami ushi 1, 2, 3, 4. So moving on, indaba yokufast, there's this one time, I'm gonna share the stories. There's this one time like ngiqanga ukulo kufikela umoya, umuntu oqala wangitshela yona, and futhi ngakhumbula ingelosi zabantwana. Umuntu oqala wangitshela wona, it was fast. And ukufasta, like ngangihlala mina ngihlala ugogo wami wayisonta, ugogo wami wayisonta, and she fasted until azafika kule point lokuthi washatha asakhona ukufasta ngenxa yokuthi uphuza amaphilisi. But I never understood ukuthi why ugogo kamele akafast, because sometimes I'd actually say to him, ugogo nami ngikujoyina nami ngiyafasta kwasha cima, but I didn't really understand ukuthi why kwakumele ukufast. But ngokuhamba isikhathi, my grandma passed away, ngangisevarsity during my first year, so they told me ukuthi ngifast. I never understood anything about ukufasta, and it was very isikhathi. So I did as I was told, and ngangiqala ukufasta lapha, like ngifasted with an intention, but I have to fast. And guess what, 2 days later I was actually visited by Umubi, and I was able to conquer it. Yeah, and it sounds odd, but it is what it is, and I did conquer it. And to the lap, I understood it was okay, fine. I have this ngelosele. Ngaqala ngajula lo ngelosi qala ukuthi le ngelosi yani, why ifi iqhumene kanjani nami and everything like that. Why kwamele ngifaste? Yini ngahlahla indaba yokufasta? Kwenzakalani uma ufasta? And ngathola ama information as time went by, because if you experience something, always ask. Get back to your ancestors, get back to ithunywa zakho and ask. And trust me, you now but message is to why you want to, and they get excited because now I want to carry as and then they reveal more information. So also the whole reason why you get fasting, the first thing that I got about fast was wow, fast exercise ngathola ukuthi uyakwazi ukunqoba izimpi. Like njengoba ngichaze my previous video, ngachaza ukuthi why kumele ufast and stuff like that, but oqala nqa ngithola into oqala nqa ukuthi why kumele ufast exercise ukuthi yakhona ukunqoba izimpi zakamoya. If ufastile, umoya wakho usuke unamandla ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi ukwazi ukunqoba izimpi. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video. Ngifuna ukwenza le video lena ibe yinde, and my next video ngizobe ngikhuluma-ke manje sengijulisisayo abantu ukuthi time usujulile usuke i-meditation noma usuvakashela umoya. I'm gonna be talking about the energies nama-sensations lawa wazwayo emzimbeni, because we all have ama-sensations lawa angajwayelekile, lama-sensations lawa wazwa ulele uthi uyacindezeleka. Sometimes it's not always umoya omubi. Lana ukuthi uhlukanisa kanjani ukuthi umoya omubi noma ukona umoya omubi. Uthi uyaqinisa nje isinyo sakho sifuna ukukhuluma nawe, itshela ukuthi umoya omubi lokhu memeza igama likaJesu, ngoba nami ngaqala kanjani igama likaJesu, igama likaJesu, umoya omubi igama likaJesu. Suqinisa umzimba kanti umoya kuba dedela igazi, umoya khuluma umoya. So in my next video, my follow-up videos, I'm gonna talk about ama energy lawa, ama sensations asemzimbeni, nokuthi ukwazi udetect ukuthi uwona uyimuphi umoya. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching thus far. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.